Hey everyone, I'm Christy and I'm a dietitian at Housing and Dining Services. It's our mission at K-State to offer quality food that is nutritious and tastefully prepared. You can access our award-winning menus online or on any mobile device. Here you have the option to view all the dining center menus as well as the nutrition information for each menu item. You can also use the calorie calculator to help track your own personalized nutrition. By simply typing in the number of servings next to the menu item of your choice, you can view the calories and nutritional facts for your whole meal or even your whole day. Planning what you want to eat ahead of time can be beneficial to controlling the portions and menu selections you wish to make. But we also make the same nutrition information available directly on the serving lines through our menu cards. If you have any questions or comments about our menu offerings or nutrition information, we would love to hear from you. Contact information for each dining center is available on the website, and the Nutrition Now tab on the left-hand side can lead you to a list of dietitians and the information to communicate with them. Thanks for watching, and from all of us here at Dining Services, we wish you a happy and healthy year.